Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox like few more Majorets. Like I mentioned, I will be doing videos on alternate day basis instead of every day. Honestly, I can't bear the cost for every car like on daily basis. I will go bankrupt. So with that said, let me start with this. So this is a BMW M3. So I was able to get this one. This is available a lot. If you guys really like BMW, yeah, every supermarket has this nowadays. I don't think everyone is buying this. So only people who knows about this car they are buying this. Okay, here's the second one, the Datsun 260Z. So this is, I think, it's a new casting for this year because 2022, 2023, I have all the castings by Majora, like 99% of the castings. I never saw this one. Even 2024, I didn't see this one. So yeah, I bought this. And last but not least, here is the Toyota 86 GT. And we do have 86 GT here. Let me show you. Yeah, here it is. So that is the Tune Up Series 3 Neon Series. I think I have one more if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think there is another one in the bottom here. It's a blue one. If I'm that is yeah, that is also a Toyota GT 86. Okay. So the reason I bought this one again, so I originally thought I don't have this, but after I saw this, today while recording the video, then I remembered I have this. And personally, I bought it because of the color scheme they have this, because it is a glittery green along with this golden rims. It looked really beautiful. It is hanging on the peg, and light is shining right on this car, and it looked really really awesome. So I bought it. So we will be unboxing these three cars this week. So stay tuned. Again, I'm saying this, if I'm having time when I'm finishing recording all these videos, I might add one or two more. Again, depends upon the time and my tiredness level. So let's see. Okay, with that said, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.